What's going on, everybody? It's Bonez, your level 3 educator. Today on this video, it's very special to me. This is the man that taught me everything I know about being a barber, and this is my Uncle Roy, who is the client that I use to learn how to cut hair. Being my uncle is handicapped, he's not as active, so his scalp does get extremely dry from being dehydrated at times. So what I did is I came with our level 3 shampoo and conditioner, applied that to his scalp, scrubbed it to help get rid of all that dead skin, get rid of all those dirt and that oil, hit him with a hot towel to clean his skin off and clean his scalp off, so that way we could apply our level 3 freeze spray. The level 3 freeze spray, when applied and used with a blow dryer, will help us get a nice fine-tuned line when you apply it with your trimmers, because it's going to harden and it's going to be an adhesive to keep the hair into place. The next thing, we're going to go in with our level 3 shave gel. About that amount is perfect. You can apply it to the skin, adding a little bit of water to lubricate it, to activate its qualities. I massage it into the scalp. My personal favorite is the level 3 Turkish blade. Reason being, I have huge hands and it is extremely lightweight, so it allows me to get around in those hard to reach spots, as you're seeing right here closer to the lip. I love this blade because it gives me so much range, and the level 3 blade cuts so smooth line. I took our level 3 hair tonic and applied it to the scalp because I want to make sure that when he leaves the barbershop, his scalp doesn't immediately dry back up again, and the hair tonic will hydrate his skin. And then we apply our level 3 oil sheet to get that nice finish, shine, gloss look to it, hydrating the scalp, reapplying the proper vitamins back to the skin to keep it nice and healthy, finishing off with our level 3 aftershave for the final look. For more information, make sure you go to level3.com.